All right, so on to the ability phase. This is where we help our team turn the knowing into the doing. Look, there's a big difference between knowing how to do something and actually being able to do it. I'll give you an example. Do you understand a bit about the strategy or the mechanics of running a 4-minute mile? Can you do it? Understanding how to do something is very different to having the ability to do it. Presence of knowledge of how to change by itself isn't enough to actually start behaving differently. Ability means to actually be able to demonstrate the application of that knowledge in a real world environment. And to do that, the biggest thing people need is time and resources. You need to give people the chance to fail, the chance to practice, the chance to ask questions and try again. Coaching and feedback at this point is really helpful. If people are in a safe environment where they know it's okay to make mistakes while they practice, they need to be given feedback to understand where they're going wrong and what they're doing right. I want you to do just a quick little activity yourself. If you flick to the back of your workbook, there'll be a signature activity. So you should see 2 columns. So what I want you to do is, in the first column, write your signature 5 times, once in each box. Still writing? Almost there? Okay, that was pretty easy, right? You can write your signature, that's comfortable, you know how to do it. Now I want you to put your pen in the other hand. And in the second column, write your signature 5 times. Off you go. It's not so easy, is it? So this is how I can show you what having ability means. You know how to write your signature. You know it perfectly well, but you don't necessarily have the ability yet to do your signature with your other hand. The thing is, if I let you practice for half an hour a day, every single day, you'd actually get pretty good at doing your signature with the other hand. This is the ability phase, and this is what people need to get through it. So back to our ADKAR template, and we're going to complete the ability line. So here, for each of your stakeholders, think about what you need to give them to practice and get through the ability phase. It could be training. It could be, say, if they were using a new computer system, the chance to play with it and click on it and use it, but in a non-live version. If I was using an example outside of healthcare, if I was training someone to make a coffee on a coffee machine, it would be the ability to stand in front of the coffee machine and make 50, 100, 200 coffees over a period of time. Think about how much time you need to allow for each person. People are different and they're not all going to gain ability at the same pace. Think about physical resources, human resources, space, time, tools, and complete the ability line.